Alright, so one of the things that you can do when you're trying to teach them to switch sides, right? I use heel, fly left side. Right side is my command where they go behind my back and they go on the right side. It's just heel on the right side. Okay, the word is incidental, it doesn't matter. When you're teaching it, there's a lot of different, it takes a little bit of time. Okay, we're still in the shape of phase linear. But there's a lot of different stuff you can do to reinforce it passively. And stuff that can kind of get them a little bit more into it, right? Instead of just kind of doing little shaping corrections behind your back. I use some agility work there. You can also integrate motion commands with switching sides. All right, so it would be like heel, sit, heel, right? That's a motion command, but you finish with, instead of heel, right side, and vice versa. So I'll show you what I mean. Heel. Right side. Good girl. Let's go, good girl. Good girl. Sit. Heel. Girl. Sit. Variant. Okay, so they don't start to anticipate. You're starting to do that, so I went back to regular motion. It's good girl. Alright, so now I'll do it with right side of this too. Just variant. Same thing with basically all your command structure. Heel. Good girl. So start from this. Very good. Heel. Heel. That's a good girl. Right side. Good girl. Okay. Good job. Very good. So you see what I mean? We're going back and forth between sides with the motion command. With all motion commands, with whole phrase until the end. The sequence is the command. Use your good girl. Motion commands help with tons of stuff. I wish more of my clients would work them in, but people have a hard time with this stuff. So we do are smarty pants.